There is pathologic yawning, which can occur with various different kinds of neurologic diseases. Pathologic yawning is just an excessive amount of yawning or repetitive yawning without an appropriate stimulus such as fatigue or boredom. It's seen as a symptom of various neurologic diseases, including intracranial hypertension. That's the one we tend to see. Pseudotumor cerebri, it's also called. Multiple sclerosis, various strokes, Chiari, migraine. Excessive yawning can be a sign of intracranial hypertension. Here's a reference. It can also be a sign that the intracranial hypertension is so bad that different brain tissue may herniate into other tissue.